Welcome, inform me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I am going to tell you what to do if your fast charging cable doesn't work with your smartphone. First of all, check the cable and the charging block, or aka AC adapter, for visible damage, and what's most important, for their compatibility with your smartphone. If they are compatible, then use a non-metallic brush to clean the charging port of your device. Of course, turn it off beforehand and carefully clean the charging port, again with a non-metallic brush. Then, if it doesn't help, then test your charging cable and charging block with another smartphone and see if it works on it. And also try using a different charger with your smartphone and see if it works. And in case it doesn't, check your system and update section, go to software update, and make sure that your Android version, basically your software version, is up to date. And if it's not, then take your time and install the update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.